Hey everyone! We've just got some exciting new images and videos from China showing plastic mock-ups of the upcoming iPhone 17 series, and wow! This could be the closest look yet at the final design. And let me tell you, it already looks way more premium and polished than the earlier mock-ups we saw. The iPhone 17 might come with a strong titanium frame, an aluminum body, and a glass camera module. There's even a chance we'll see a glass back for wireless charging, giving the phone a cool two-tone finish. It's looking really sleek. The front also looks very decent. We've got the dynamic island along with the selfie camera and Face ID, but here's where things get interesting. It doesn't seem to have an anti-reflective display, and that could be a problem. Why? Because Samsung is ready to take advantage of that. For the last couple of years, Samsung has been leading the game with anti-reflective screens. And let's be honest, it doesn't matter how good your phone is, if you can't see the screen clearly in sunlight, that's just annoying. Mac Rumors says that Apple may have encountered some problems adding anti-glare technology to the iPhone 17. But that seems like just an excuse, since Apple already uses anti-glare nano-texture displays on its Macs and iPads. Leaving it out of the iPhone 17 will definitely disappoint a lot of iPhone users. This won't hold back iPhone 17 sales at all. They're sure to fly off the shelves like hotcakes, because these devices will be coming with mind-blowing specs and brand new design after several years. The regular iPhone 17 looks similar to the iPhone 16. Same 6.1-inch display and dual cameras. But the new iPhone 17 Air is different with a pill-shaped camera module, having a single camera and LED flash. The module is smaller than expected, but the camera bump is huge. Why? That's something we'll have to wait and see. And when it comes to performance, you're getting a super smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, a high-density 2800 mAh battery, 35-watt fast charging, and the new A19 Bionic chip that can handle even high-end games like a champ. iPhone 17 series will come with iOS 26 right out of the box, and the UI has been redesigned with liquid glass effects on the lock screen, notifications, and app icons. It all looks and feels more dynamic in light mode, dark mode, and even a brand new, clear look. But here's the big win. Finally, all models, including the 17 Air, Pro, and Pro Max, will have a 120 Hz ProMotion display. That means no more laggy or slow screen refresh rates. Everything will feel super smooth. The iPhone 17 is expected to support maximum up to 35-watt fast charging, which is good, but still behind Samsung's 45-watt super fast charging. So, is Apple just trying to catch up or quietly planning something bigger? Let's wait and find out. So what do you think about the iPhone 17 so far? Do you love the design, excited for the features, or a little disappointed? Write your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching and stay blessed. See you in the next video.